Mastering, step by step, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the common English phrase, step by step. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a valuable expression in learning and everyday life. Get ready to unlock the power of this phrase in your English communication. Step by step refers to gradually doing something in a sequence. Imagine climbing stairs. You go up one step at a time to reach the top. Similarly, when you do something step by step, you're progressing in stages, ensuring that each part of the process is completed before moving on to the next. This phrase likely originated from the literal steps one takes when walking. By applying this physical action to other processes, it emphasizes the idea of incremental progress. It's a concept that's understood globally, making it a staple in language and learning. Let's look at how step by step is used in sentences. Learning a new language can be overwhelming, but if you approach it step by step, it becomes manageable. The instructions were laid out step by step, making the assembly process easy to follow. When learning a new skill, taking it step by step ensures a solid foundation. Each step builds on the previous one, allowing for cumulative learning. This approach prevents feeling overwhelmed and helps identify and fix mistakes early on. The phrase isn't just for learning, it's used in planning, problem-solving, and project management. Breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable steps is a key strategy in many fields. And that's step by step for you. Remember, whether you're learning English or tackling a new project, taking things one step at a time can lead to great success. Thanks for watching, and keep progressing step by step in your language journey.